Hello and welcome to TOPS. I'm going to show you how to sign up to volunteer. First you'll go to our website topss.org and you'll come to this site here. Click on the volunteer tab at the top and scroll down, click on individual volunteering, click on opportunities, you'll type in your name, your email, and hit submit. If this is the first time you're signing up, it will ask you a few questions. Nothing too personal. There is a waiver. Check here to agree, and then type your name to sign. Once you complete the application, you'll be taken to a calendar with future available volunteer dates. I'm going to jump ahead. If you click on a day, it will show you shifts for that day. You can click on view description and you'll see the description of what you would be doing if you did that. If you want to sign up, check this little box. Click on another day. You can set it for multiple shifts at one time. You just keep clicking on days, signing up. Every box I've checked has put the shifts down here at the bottom. So once I hit submit, I'm signed up for all 3 of those shifts. I'm going to hit submit. I'll receive a confirmation email, and I'll also receive a reminder email 24 hours before my shift with a link to cancel if I need to. And that's it. It's that simple.